Working with bigger creators as a video editor can truly take your skills to the next level. And that creator for me is Premiere Gal. If you're not familiar with her, she's an incredible content creator who produces video editing tutorials that have always resonated with me. I've been watching her channel for years and her tutorials have significantly influenced my journey as an editor. But here's the exciting part. I have been working with her on editing her videos for the Gal Toolkit tutorial channel, and her Gal Toolkit tutorial channel is essentially helping you with any questions you may have when you use her Gal Toolkit in Premiere Pro. And if you want to use it, I will have it linked down below, and it's one of the best plugins I personally have ever used inside of Premiere Pro. Now, you might be wondering, how did I end up working with Premiere Gal? Well, let me take you back to August of 2023. And it all started with a simple DM message that I sent her on Instagram. I said, if you are ever looking to add editors to your team, I would love to join. And it's also worth noting that we had previously exchanged a few DMs about her toolkit, which established a bit of rapport. And building that initial connection made it easier for me to reach out with confidence. And to my surprise, she responded that very same day, and she asked for my portfolio, and she wanted to know if I would be interested in a trial project, and I was ecstatic about that. And shortly after, she requested my email, and I received all the details on the trial project brief, and it felt like a huge opportunity, and I had to dive right into it. So if you're hoping to work with bigger creators, remember this: a simple message can go a long way, and you never know who might respond. However, your video editing work does need to speak for itself, so having a portfolio is key, along with client testimonials. And of course, if you're just starting out and don't have client testimonials, then just offer a free video, and most likely they're not going to reject that. So after completing the trial project and going through a few revisions based on her feedback, I was optimistic about the outcome of it. And when I finally heard back, she mentioned that she liked my work with the video, and she planned on having me work on additional projects with her starting in 2024. And while I was a little disappointed that we weren't starting immediately, this taught me an important lesson about patience in this industry. It's essential to understand that opportunities with bigger creators or clients do not happen overnight. And you do not want to come across as pushy or needy by bombarding them with follow-ups, and instead you want to stay professional and deliver high quality work and trusting the process. So then in March of 2024, I received an email from her about new projects, and it was worth the wait. And working with Premiere Gal has been a game changer with my video editing skills. Her workflows introduced me to new tools like Slack, Webster, and Lucidlink, which have streamlined collaboration and made the editing process more efficient. And most importantly, since she's a video editor, her feedback has been invaluable, and it's pushed me to refine my skills and improve my approach to editing. And let me be clear, I am not the best editor in the world, and I am constantly learning, but one thing I've realized is that you can work with anyone as long as your work is solid and you can meet your client's needs. So here's something every aspiring video editor should remember: making the experience great for your client is just as important as delivering good work. Reliability and clear communication are rare qualities, but they're what make clients want to work with you again and again. And another tip that has worked for me and could work for you is offering a free trial project. So for example, you could offer one free short form video to your potential prospect. And this gives potential clients a risk-free way to see if you're a good fit with their team, and it's a small investment on your part that can lead to bigger opportunities. And if you're just starting out as a video editor, I hope this video gives you some actionable steps to land your first client and to work with bigger creators. And sometimes all it takes is confidence, persistence, and a little bit of patience. Also, I have a free Discord community in the description down below where we can all give free value to one another, so I highly recommend joining that. And before you go, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.